have mastered this particular strategy, you can actually use it to make a lot of money. Okay, first of all, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do yourself a favor by subscribing to this channel. Turn up the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new update and opportunity, you get to know about it. Okay, so a lot of people, because they hear about arbitrage, they just go ahead, use their money, buy a coin, transfer it to another exchange to start making money. That is very, very wrong. Okay, if you are doing that, you might end up losing money. The reason is because when you see random coin, anyhow coin you see on social media, somebody promoting a coin, you don't actually know if that coin has a hidden fee. There is what we call hidden fee in trading. Okay, and a lot of people doesn't make proper research before they start talking about a coin. So what happened is that when you buy that particular coin, you end up losing your money because the coin has a hidden fee, or that particular coin, the price is not actually stable. The coin is very highly volatile. Okay, so when the coin is volatile and you have a low network, you will end up losing money. That is the reason why I have made a particular class. I've made a class where I will be able to teach you step-by-step guide on how to go about coin arbitrage, P2P arbitrage, and be profitable on daily basis. Okay, and that particular class is not for free. Okay, the class costs 30 USDT if you want to join it, and we also give daily signals, so you can join. You can send me a message on WhatsApp or Telegram if you want to join. So now what you really need to do, I'm gonna be sharing two powerful secrets, and I'm going to show you this arbitrage right now. Okay, how the arbitrage actually work and how you can make money in it. So if you take a look at this particular coin here now, you see that this coin, this particular brand, okay, brand slash USDT cost 0.015, that's 1 cent 5. Okay, so now this particular exchange is selling it at 0.015. We're gonna be buying this particular coin, but before we buy it, also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. What I'm sharing with you guys here is educational purpose, and if you understand it properly, if you know it, you will really be making profit from it. Okay, so first of all, number one is for you to know how it actually work. Those ones that have hidden fee, you need to, like me, if I'm trading arbitrage, I normally avoid any coin that had a hidden fee. Okay, and I want to tell you that 80% of coin in the market has hidden fee. Okay, so the other 30 also have a fee, but it's not a hidden fee. It's just a fee that when you are transferring it, you can actually see it on the exchange. But most of the new listed token doesn't showcase their fees. Okay, they can only tell you if you are withdrawing, you're gonna be paid 18 pieces of, just like this coin. If you want to withdraw it now, this coin, you will pay 18 pieces of this token. So let's see how much is the fee, which is 18 Brian. This is 18 Brian. So you can see 18 hold on, 18 Brian is 27 cents. Okay, so you're really gonna be paying 17 cents as a fee. Okay, but most of the coin, after they have shown you this 18 withdrawal fee, which is 27 cents, there is also another hidden fee. This is the secret most people doesn't know, and when they have seen that the coin, they buy the coin $1, the other exchange is selling it $2, they just withdraw and send. Immediately they put they buy it with $50. Immediately the coin land the other place, they will just be seeing $41. That means they have lost $9, or even at the end of the day, they lose more than if they have started with 50. They end up just seeing 40 or even 39. It means that they have lost 11. So this is the area which you actually need to focus much on it. Okay, once you understand it, you stand a chance of making a lot of profit in the market. Okay, so now let's carry out this particular opportunity. But you need to have a stable network, a good network. Okay, once you have a good network, this particular trade costs you only 2 minutes for you to perform it. So in that 2 minutes, there is nothing you can lose. That's the reason why if you doesn't understand it, you seek for knowledge. Okay, join our class so that we will teach you. Take time and teach you for at least 7 days, 14 days before you can start. You master it. You know, with as a professional trader, you understand. I give you my experience. That's what you are actually doing. You are buying experience. Okay, my 11 years in the market is what you are buying, the experience. So if you see, even the fee is so small, okay, to compare with what you really gonna be getting. So once you have understand it, you can open your system, you can open your laptop, your phone, and start making money. So now let's say we are buying this particular coin at this particular current rate here. Okay, because remember, the more this coin is rising in price in this particular place, the same particular coin is actually rising in other exchange. Okay, so you don't have anything to worry. But once the price have come together, it means that there is no longer opportunity in this particular place. I hope you understand what I say. I mean, as you can see, the price over here right now is over here is at we are buying from this particular place, which is 0.0152. Okay, if you go to, if the other exchange is actually profitable, you might be seeing this particular coin at that side at 0.0162. Okay, so there must be a price difference at every given time. If there is no longer opportunity, then the price will be equal. Simple. Okay, so once there is opportunity, also remember this kind of opportunity will normally give them on daily basis in my class. Okay, so if you join us, you stand to be getting the opportunity on daily basis. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do right now is to copy the amount of the coin which we are really gonna be buying. So I'm gonna be buying 10,000 pieces of this coin in this place, 10,000 pieces of Brian, which in here you can see is it cost me 153 $1.30. Okay, 100, and I hope you can see what I'm showing you here. This is what I'm gonna be paying over here. So I'm gonna pay this to buy 10,000 pieces of Brian. So now let's go to the second exchange and sell this 10,000 pieces. So let me copy it over here. Then let's go to the second exchange. If you take a look at this particular place now, this is the second exchange here. Okay, you can see the price that this particular place is actually selling. Okay, so now if we paste the amount, the quantity, we'll just copy from the second place. Okay, you can see this is what we actually getting from this particular place. Let me show you so you can see clearly. So this is what we're really gonna be getting. Okay, so and also remember, we actually bought it with 153.8. so let's remove our initial capital from this particular place. You can see this is where you are selling to this particular people here. Okay, and you can see the price here, 0.0158. Okay, that is what you are selling, because you are not selling, we bought from here. Okay, you are selling to this place, so this is what we get. So let's go and check how much this is. So what we're gonna be doing here is to do one let's see again. Okay, so let's do 158.80. okay, this is what we actually gonna be getting. So let's minus our initial 153.30. okay, so you see this is actually what you gonna be getting as a profit. Okay, with 153. okay, even if you are using half of that particular money, okay, if you are using half of that particular money, which is supposed to be 76 USDT, you're still gonna be making some profit. Okay, so after you have sent, remember, you're gonna be paying a fee of 0.27 cent. You still have 5 point something USDT. Okay, so one good thing that makes me sometimes I recommend people to join a team, join a group. Okay, our Signal group is because most of the time when exchangers find out that there is opportunity in some coin, what they do is they suspend the withdrawals. Okay, they will not allow you to withdraw the coin because they know that you're really gonna be making profit. Okay, so that's the reason why you need to join us. So most of the time the exchange will be free for withdrawals and the rest, but at the time when people begin to do the arbitrage and is now noticeable, they start suspending those withdrawals.